Hi, today in front of me Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So open first Settings app and tap to the Sound and Vibration. You will see here the notifications volume panel, and to mute notifications we should only hold and slide to the left side this black dot to the left side of our panel, and that's it. By this way you will mute all of your notifications. To unmute them, by the same way, slide to the right side this dot. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.